Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to wrap text in a Google Sheets. If you're working Google Sheets and you're facing a problem of text overlapping and you have not able to see all the text written in a certain cell. For example, I'm narrowing this cell. Here in these cells I'm not able to see this written hold the word regular audio. It is only showing a single word regular. So in this case we have to wrap text, and in this video I'm going to show you how to wrap all the text in your Google Sheet. You have to go this and select all the cells, select the art cells, and in the upper bar you have to go this option. This is as we seen there written text wrapping. You have to click this and select your options of wrapping. As you can see now I'll press the wrapping and it clears the R word. So instead of adjusting single columns and row, you can just wrap all the text in your Google Sheet by these options. You can also wrap in the style. Here you can see, so you can wrap the text from Google in the Google Sheets from here. That's it. This is for what I'm trying to teach you in this video. Thanks for watching my video.